Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and drivers so pairing actually works. Open Device Manager to confirm a Bluetooth adapter. Update drivers if needed. Once done, power on your peripheral and enable its pairing mode. Look for a blinking LED or a long press. Next, go to Settings, Devices, Bluetooth, toggle Bluetooth on. Click Add Bluetooth or other device to begin scanning. Do this immediately because without adapter and pairing mode, nothing else will connect. This step saves time and avoids false troubleshooting. Once your computer is scanning, pick the correct device name and start pairing. Name collisions are common, so verify the icon or model. When prompted, enter the PIN shown or confirm the numeric code. This authenticates the link and prevents other devices from spoofing. After pairing, configure the role. Choose audio output for speakers, input for microphones, or HID for keyboards. Make sure the device is set as default where needed. This ensures sound or input flows to the new Bluetooth device immediately. After pairing, test core functions so you know everything works. Play audio, type, or transfer a file. If something fails, first disconnect and repair, then update the Bluetooth driver and firmware and restart the Bluetooth service. Once done, run the built-in troubleshooter if problems persist. It can reset settings and identify conflicts. As a key fix, keep devices within 10 meters and remove physical obstructions. This reduces interference and often resolves dropouts without deeper intervention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.